Hello, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to manage a bunch of scripts in just one. Now, this has been a problem I've seen with all kinds of games, especially obby games. Now this is like a small example I've made. These are 3 kill bricks, and in each of them I have an individual script that just kills the player whenever they touch it. And let's see if that works, and yeah. Now, it does work, but what if you wanted to change something in one script? That means you'd have to go through all of the scripts in your game just to do one single change. Now, right now, with just 3, that doesn't seem like a lot, but in big games where you might have, tens, hundreds, maybe even 1,000, probably not though, it's just too problematic, and I'll show you a very simple fix. Now, the first thing we want to do, let's just get rid of these scripts. And we also want to organize them by putting them into a folder. Now, folders are really helpful when it comes to organizing on Roblox Studio, and a keybind for it is Control-Alt-G, and this puts it into a folder. Here we need to give it a key name like killbricks folder, something simple like that. Now we need to make a script in service. I already made one. I'm just going to call this server. You can also make this an add-on to your current script. And here, let's loop through every descendant in workspace. Now, if you don't know what a descendant is, basically, killbricks folder is a child of workspace, and workspace is the parent of it. But what would a part be to workspace? Well, the part is a descendant of the workspace, and basically, when you say descendant, it goes through every child of every child, if that makes sense. And in here, let's just say for _v in workspace, get descendants do, this loops through every single thing in the workspace, and this can be very helpful. So here, we can say if v.parent.name is equal to killbricks folder, which is what we named earlier, we are able to identify all 3 of these parts. So here we can just say v.touched connect function hit part, and here we can just say, and let's also just call players for this because you probably might have already called it. So local players is equal to game get service players, and here we can say if players get a character from, and now we want to say if players get player from character, hit part.parent, because the part that's actually touching the kill brick might be like your leg, and if it gets it from the character, the leg's parent, which is, well, the character, then we can identify the humanoid. So local humanoid is equal to hit part.parent find first child humanoid. And just in case, we can say if the humanoid, exists, then we can say the humanoid.health is equal to 0. Now let's test this. So I don't have any scripts inside of the killbrick folder or the part, and as you can see, they do have a touch interest because whenever you touch it, that's part of a function. So whenever I do touch it, as you can see, it kills me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, what if you had 2 types of things? Like if I duplicated this, move this over here, and just called it like moving parts, or something like that. You can kind of duplicate this. So instead of having another one of these workspace get descendant functions, we can just say if v, or actually, let's just make it an else statement. So here, else if v.parent.name is equal to the moving parts, and I'll say folder, let's rename that. And you don't have to put folder in the name. I don't know why I do that. Usually I do that in the script, so it's just like a small thing I did on accident. But let's just say print, moving part found. And whenever I play, as you can see, it says moving part found 3 times, and yeah. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. If you want to join my Discord server, the link is in the description. And yeah, that's about it. Bye.